Did you know that you can make money on YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face or without making these videos yourself? And you can do this by finding simple articles online completely for free. And by automatically generating these YouTube Shorts, you can do this and make anywhere between $750 and over $1,000 per day. Just like this over here, tens of thousands of dollars every single month, which is hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year. All of this can be achieved through the creation of simple YouTube short videos. Step number one, to do this, I'm going to show you this software that will automatically generate YouTube short videos for you at the click of a button, completely for free without any expenses. Step two is to find a profitable niche, and I'm going to show you a niche that is blowing up right now, not only getting tons of YouTube ad revenue, but also doubling up with tons of affiliate link commissions in the descriptions of these YouTube short videos. Step number three is I'm going to show you how to use this tool to automatically generate done for you viral YouTube short videos just like this. Step four, I'm going to show you this brand new tool that will make sure that your video ranks #1 on YouTube for the specific keyword that you're trying to rank for, to ultimately 200% more times your views. And finally, step number five, I'm going to show you how to capitalize on the power of affiliate marketing and at least 2 to 3 times your earnings with these YouTube shorts that are automatically going to be generated. This is going to be the easiest step-by-step YouTube shorts tutorial on YouTube so far. Plus, I have a crazy bonus for you guys at the end of this video on how you can rank #1 on YouTube for the specific keyword that you want to rank for on your YouTube shorts video. Let's not waste any time and let's get into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online every single day. I post videos on affiliate marketing, YouTube content, drop shipping, drop servicing, soon to be trading as well. So if you want to get daily videos on epic content like this, learn the necessary skills that you need to build a successful business online, and not only that, get some goals and motivation and hopping out of your comfort zone to ultimately succeed and make money online. Make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. And make sure to leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up when I see your positivity on this channel. And just as a quick giveaway, if you want to win $20 in tomorrow's video, just make sure you've left a like, commented down below that you're ready and you're following me over here, and I will announce the winner in tomorrow's video at the end of tomorrow. And I will announce the winner of that $20 giveaway in tomorrow's video. I'll also announce today's winner at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end. But in today's video, guys, I want to show you how you can use the power of YouTube Shorts to make money online completely for free and finding articles all over the internet without spending any money. Plus, I have a huge bonus for you guys. I'm going to show you a tool that will automatically generate these YouTube short videos for you from these articles, so you don't need to create the content yourself. You don't need to edit these videos yourself. It's super easy. I really recommend stick around for this one. And the reason why I'm talking about YouTube Shorts yet again is because YouTube Shorts is like TikTok right now. It is blowing up. It is a massive opportunity. A lot of channels are getting tens of thousands of subscribers every single day, making thousands of dollars every single day in revenue, merch sales, affiliate links, and all the other ways that you can get monetized on YouTube. It is such a powerful way to make a lot of money online today and to build a successful YouTube business. That is why I'm focusing on this, and this is why I recommend you pay attention to this video. And step number one, guys, is going to go and identify the best YouTube Shorts niche that I think works so well with this. So firstly, my two favorite niches is anything that's got to do with female and male workouts. In this specific example, I even went more specific with my niche and went down to female booty workouts, and I find that this is a niche that is really blowing up right now. These kind of videos are getting millions of views, and as you can see, this is a simple little 30-second clip over here that got 1.6 million views in just 3 months. Over here is another 11-second clip that got 6.4k views in 3 months, 6.9 million, 72 million views, 14k views. So the views on this kind of niche is really pumping through right now, and the algorithm is really favoring this kind of niche. A fantastic example of a channel doing this right now is Fitness Shorts. They recently got verified on YouTube, and they are posting, I would say, 3 times a day and getting thousands of views every single day. If I go and filter by their most popular videos, take a look at this. In just 6 months, they had a video hit 46 million views, and other videos as well hitting tens of millions of views just in a couple of months. That is crazy growth. There's not many YouTube channels that have grown this fast before, and as you can see, they are focusing specifically on female workouts and maybe one or two male workouts over here. This is why this video I'm showing you right now is super important to pay attention to if you want to succeed at YouTube Shorts, especially with this specific niche. The second step is you need to come over to invideo.io. Don't worry, I'm not going to sell you an affiliate link or anything like that. This tool does have a free plan that is perfectly fine for this. You don't need to have the paid plans. And these are the following steps you need to take in order to automatically generate your YouTube Shorts video. Firstly, you need to click on text to video over here. Click on the text to video option. You need to make sure that you've got vertical selected over here. And I recommend go and choose any of the first four templates over here. They are my favorites. I usually like this template over here. I like how the white text is in a black box. The text is best visible in this template. Don't worry about the pictures. This is just a template, as I said. We can go and click on this template over here. We want to make sure, again, we've selected vertical and click on use this template. You'll be prompted on the screen with three options over here on how you can create this YouTube Shorts. Firstly, you can add your own script. You can add your own URL from other websites to turn that into a video, or you can upload your own media files manually. The one I use is usually add my own script. I don't like to add a URL, as often if you copy the direct URL from an article, there's a lot of adverts on that website and it kind of messes up your YouTube short. So all I do is I click on add your script over here. For your headline, you can type something like this: complete booty workout program, hashtag shorts. For the story, you want to come over to Google and type here best booty workouts and click on enter. And over here we can click on this first link, exercises and strategies for a bigger, firmer booty. We can open this up in a new tab, and this is perfect. First, you've got the glute bridge, so we can go and copy this text over here. Number one, right click, copy, come over to InVideo, paste this over here, and all you want to do is just copy the title of each and every point. So come back to InVideo, just paste the title of your point, and you just want to go and get the amount of sets and reps you need to do. So if you scroll down, you will see over here 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Just copy that, come over to InVideo and put that in brackets. Click on enter. We can type number 2, come back to your article, scroll down and copy the jumping squats title. Paste this over here. Again, come back and look for the amounts of sets and repetitions. 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. So just put that in brackets next to each title. For number 3, walking lunge with light weights, just go and paste this over here as your title and go again and get your 2 sets of 20 repetitions. Let's set this YouTube short video to no more than 5 exercises so we can continue with number 4 and 5. So again, just copy number 4, single leg deadlift, paste it over here, just go and get the reps, 3 sets of 15, and paste this in brackets over here. One more, number 5, we can do the clamshell over here. Just copy this, go and copy the 3 sets of 15 and repeat on the other side, which is the amount of reps that you need to do. Finally, what you want to do is you want to type number 6, link in description for full booty workout program. You want to click on next over here. It will automatically load and automatically generate this YouTube short video for you. And here you can see your YouTube short video has been automatically generated for you, and each and every exercise has been separated into a separate slide that you can go and edit. Now, all you need to go and do is you need to just go and replace these pictures with relative images, but sometimes these images are done already. You don't need to replace them, because remember, the whole point of this is we want to upsell them to the video course that we're going to get as our affiliate program, which is number 6 over here, which will lead traffic to the link in the description for the full video booty workout program. So over here, if I click on preview all, take a look at this. Once this is successfully completed, just click on download and share on the top right over here. Click on 720p and click on export. It will take about a couple of seconds for this to export to your PC and available to go and upload on YouTube. Over here you can see this is now rendering. It will take about a couple of minutes for this to render to 100%. Once this is done, you're going to click on download over here and it will download straight to your PC. Once this has successfully been rendered, click on download on this big blue button over here and it will download directly to your PC. I'm quickly going to show you a second tutorial on how you can create normal YouTube videos with the same tool if you're interested in creating a normal YouTube channel for more ad revenue and not a YouTube Shorts channel. Again, just click on the top right, click on create over here. This time, instead of vertical, you want to click on wide over here. Click on text to video. Again, I like to use the same theme over here, so you can select this in the wide view. Click on use this template, but instead of adding your own headline and story, you want to click on add your URL over here. So come back to this article over here about the Bigger Booty program and paste this link over here and click on fetch. And over here you can see it has fetched this entire article. All you need to do is click on auto summarize. Click on go to storyboard over here and it will automatically generate this YouTube video for you. And just like that, all your slides have been successfully created, and all you need to go and do is just click on download and share over here, and you can download this as a YouTube video and upload this to YouTube as your own. The next step is we're going to optimize our YouTube Shorts video to get tons of more views. Firstly, I want to show you how to title your YouTube Shorts video. So the first thing you need to do is at the end of your title, you need to put the hashtag shorts. Hashtag, this is super important if you want to list your YouTube short video on the YouTube Shorts app, and also take note of emojis relative to the title used in the title, such as girl power weightlifting with a heart and a strong arm. And what you can also go and do is you can go and use a tool like Video Marketing Blaster to rank your videos on the top pages of Google. So I've purchased this tool. It only costs $27. This is what it looks like over here. Just go and search the term booty workout and it will give you tons of keywords over here that you can go and rank for. So over here is a perfect keyword, how to get a bigger booty workout plan. Just go and copy this keyword that it suggests. You need to click on video details on the top of this program. Click on generate details, paste your main keyword that you've now copied. Click on next step over here. Click on 3 other keyword suggestions such as workouts for bigger butt, get thicker thighs. Click on next step and click on generate details. Click on OK, and over here on the left it will upload the data to this tool. Click on your newly researched keyword. This tool will then give you an already made title, description, and tags for your YouTube short video that will automatically rank your YouTube shorts on the top pages for the search term, how to get a bigger booty workout plan. The next step is we need to come over to YouTube, click on upload video, select the same YouTube shorts video that you downloaded off InVideo, and just go and copy and paste the same title, description, and tags to this video when you upload it. And finally, the last step to double down on affiliate commissions and make tons of affiliate commissions every single day of your views. That is where at the end of that in-video video that we created for our YouTube shorts, number 6 is the one. Number 6 is the link in the description, which filters all the traffic that's watching our video to our affiliate link offer in our description. So we need to go and search some product that's got to do with booty workout. So let's just go workouts and click on search. Over here, if you search the term booty, you will see over here the 14-day perfect booty program. This we can go and click on promote over here, and you'll see, click on generate hot links, and over here is your affiliate link to this new booty program. So copy this affiliate link, close this tab, open it in a new tab, and take a look at this. When viewers click on the link in the description on your YouTube short video, this is the page that they're going to land on. Take a look at this. It gives them each and every problem area for women, some maybe scientific facts on how a booty gets bigger, and if you scroll down some more, you'll see eventually at the bottom of this page they can go and purchase this booty program now for $15. You will get $15.62 commission on this program over here. So you'll get $15 per sale that you make. Now, imagine a YouTube Shorts video like this over here that got 1.6 million views. If just 1,000 people out of those million people converted, that is over $10,500 on this product over here, earning commissions on one YouTube Shorts video. So hopefully you can see the power of this and how posting consistently on your YouTube Shorts channel plays a big role in going viral, getting a lot of views and a lot of affiliate commissions. And just to quickly announce the winner of that $20 giveaway from yesterday's video, well done to this person over here. You win that $20. Just message me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you guys want to get more help on YouTube, creating an affiliate business, getting tons of affiliate sales, click on this playlist over here. It will take you to my ClickBank playlist and YouTube playlist on how to get tons of traffic to your ClickBank offers, building funnels, sending out emails, and developing all the necessary skills you need to make money online as an affiliate marketer. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.